Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 8 to 14, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Ayan, pakicheck nyo na lang. Let's see, Scorpio. What's coming to you? Wow. Okay. So, it seems na your finances are doing well, Scorpio. Things are moving according to your plans. Ayan. With the Nine of Pentacles here, money is coming. May financial stability, financial independence. You have the Ten of Swords, the Four of Swords. There's a lot of healing. Anything na naging stressful sa'yo, whether this is relationship, or pera, no? Yan ay natatapos na. You are healing from that. You also have the Two of Cups, the Judgment. Okay, Judgment. And then the King of Swords. So, some of you, when it comes to relationship, meron kayong pagbabago na gagawin. Parang, it's like renewal, no? Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng problema ng person mo, and then, pinag-usapan yung maigi yung differences ninyo, yung mga hindi nyo pinagkakaunawaan. And I see you na committing, kino-commit nyo ang isa't isa, no? Nagko-commit kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Pasensya na, Mercury retrograde. But, ito yung tipong maayos nyo yung relationship dahil meron kayong bagong i-commit sa isa't isa. Alam niyo yun, na tipong may pangako kayo sa isa't isa, may promise kayo na magbabago na kayo at aayusin nyo na. So, it's like, bagong simula. You are going to start fresh with your person. So, overall energy, Nine of Pentacles, very productive kayo ngayong week na to. Maraming work, marami kayong gagawin, but meron pa rin kayong time para sa inyong sarili. Alam mo yung tipong some of you are earning while you are sleeping. O, 'di ba? Kumikita kayo ng pera kahit tulog. Kahit natutulog kayo. So, maaring iba sa inyo may mga investments, pwedeng merong basta yung perang yung pinagkukunan niyo ng income niyo ay self-sufficient at hindi nyo kailangang pumasok sa trabaho para kumita ng pera. You get what I mean? But of course, yung iba sa inyo merong work na stable rin. You have the Hanged Man. So, nag-iiba yung perspective niya pagdating sa pera. Iniisip nyo na hindi lang isa ang pwedeng pagkakitaan, pwedeng marami. 'Di ba? So, you are, kumbaga, you are putting your eggs in many baskets. Ganon. So, kumbaga, dinadiversify nyo yung inyong sources of income. Mas marami, 'di ba? The more, the merrier. So, your challenge is the Knight of Pentacles. Pwedeng meron kayo ngayong pinag-iisipan na bagong negosyo or bagong investment na hindi kayo decided. And maaring it requires a lot of learning, a lot of studying bago nyo to subukan. Kasi syempre, dapat sigurado kayo sa mga pinapasok nyong ventures. Yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong gustong mga puntahang lugar na hindi nyo magawa kasi nga busy kayo. Pero meron naman kayong panggastos para doon. Alam mo yun? Kaya kailangan i-manage mo rin yung oras at panahon mo. Syempre, maganda na kumikita tayo ng pera, but at the same time, hindi rin yung parang puro yun na lang, puro trabaho na lang. Kasi nakaka-burnout din naman yun. So, yung iba sa inyo, yan yung challenge. Kung paano kayo magsisingit ng oras at panahon para lang sa sarili ninyo or just to escape from the busyness of your life, from your busy life. So, the Knight of Cups is your opportunity. Some of you, kung kayo ay nagmamanifest ng relationship, new romantic partner, so maaring meron na parating, no? But if you are already in a relationship, I see na mas magiging caring yung person na ka-deal mo. Yung iba sa inyo, matagal nang walang naging relationship. So, ngayon, merong parating. So, nasa sa inyo kung i-accept nyo yan. Kasi yung iba, nasanay na mag-isa. So, pag nasanay ka na mag-isa, parang pag merong gustong pumasok sa buhay mo, parang medyo na-awkward ka. Kasi hindi ka sanay. But, why not try? Malay mo, diba? Your blessing is the devil card. So, the devil is about obsession. This is also about business, focusing on your finances. And, yung iba naman, may kinalaman sa unhealthy habits. So, yung iba sa inyo, as a blessing, meron kayong i-release na unhealthy habits na alam nyo na hindi makakatulong na sa inyong sarili, sa inyong kalusugan, no? You have the Ace of Swords. This is about truth, clarity in your situation. So, alam mo na ngayon kung ano yung hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. Alam mo na ngayon kung ano yung unhealthy, toxic sa situation mo, and you're going to release that. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, maraming opportunities sa trabaho, no? Especially abroad. If you are planning to work abroad, so opportunities are coming in. Yung iba, meron kayong wish fulfillment, no? Pwedeng yung inyong mga travel na na goals for this year ay nagiging, kumbaga nag-a-align na sa schedule mo. So, let's see, ano pa. You have the Knight of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, ang inyong career may kinalaman sa communication, especially sa ibang bansa. So, pwedeng international trading, pwedeng teaching, or anything related sa ibang bansa, no? I also see a fulfillment in your finances right now. So, this makes sense kasi nga, merong financial stability, merong financial independence for you. So, yung iba sa inyo masaya, no? Yun nga lang, may mga times na maraming masyadong trabaho na wala ka ng oras sa sarili mo. So, it's time for you to focus also on yourself. Now, sa inyo namang love life, Queen of Swords, High Priestess. So, I feel like you are looking for a relationship or connection na merong malalim na pagkakaintindihan sa isa't isa. It's like a soul level of relationship. Hindi yung tipong sex lang yung habol nyo sa isa't isa. Hindi ganon. Gusto mo someone who is serious, committed sa relationship. Six of Vessels. Gusto nyo soulmate connection. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are already in a relationship, maaring yung karelasyon mo ngayon is your soulmate. Pero kung you are single, I see na you are attracting a romantic partner na merong soulmate connection. Some of you, okay, yung iba naman dito, merong magbabalik na person from the past. So, yung mga person from the past, most of the time, it's not a good idea to come back with the person from the past. But of course, use your own discernment, yung judgment ninyo. But I think, no, yung iba, hindi niya natatanggapin tong taong to. Bibigyan niya na ng lesson. Energy. Ayan. Stop trying to please everyone. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Protect your energy. Yes. So, ito yung setting boundaries, no? Na hindi mo kailangan mag-say ng yes, yes, yes sa lahat. Kahit na alam mong may chance na sumama loob nila sa'yo, magalit sila, mairita. Because you want to protect your energies. Ayaw mo na ng mga toxic na tao sa buhay mo. You are focusing on yourself, self-love. You know your worth. Why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? O bakit ka raw magtsatsaga sa mga tira-tira kung dinideserve mo yung pinaka main course, no? Main pagkain. Okay? So, Yan. So, I think you're going to focus more on yourself, your career, and strengthen your relationship. If you are single, you will try to uh, go out on a date, no? But kung may bumabalik na person from the past, yung iba sa inyo, no na. Hindi nyo na tatanggapin. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.